take your piece of rope and fold it in half. Take your folded in half piece of rope and put the right hand side over the left hand side, making a loop. Now take the section of rope that's on the top and put it underneath the bottom section. And continue going around that bottom section and then put it through the loop you made. When you pull it up, you'll have made an 8. You can also do this process with 2 pieces of rope. Fold it in half, right over left, around the back, up, and through the loop. Pull it up, and you will have a beautiful figure 8. Things you can do with your figure 8 are you can fold it in half and tie the ends together. You have a really cute napkin ring, or you could cut the ends close and you have a really cute boutonniere for a nautical wedding. Or you could do it as its intended purpose, which is a stopper knot.